I think the trial in and of itself allows us to provide the best opportunity. When an effective drug comes, we're going to know that it works fast, we're going to get it to patients faster, and we'll get it to the right patients. I think that's the most important thing about GBM Agile. It's always hard with patients because this is a difficult disease, and the first thing we tell them is this is an incurable disease. We have therapies, but the therapies don't really provide a cure. They might work for a short period of time in some and a longer period of time in others. And our job today is to keep the tumor from coming back as long as possible until there's better approaches. But the only way we're going to get to those better approaches is if patients take part in trials. And there isn't going to be a better trial to take part in than GBM Agile to help us get the answers faster. I mean, the most important way that it differs is that the infrastructure is always in place. It uses a common control so that we save on that, and that we're bringing agents in and getting rid of them when they're not working, keeping them when they're working, and focusing on the subgroup that it works the best in. I've been doing this for 24 years, and I've been hoping for some change in our field. And I think that we're really at a tipping point with regard to new agents and new approaches, and also a tipping point with regard to our understanding of the molecular biology. And so really it's the time for bringing these all together into one environment where we can evaluate patients and identify who's going to get the best outcome from those therapies. So GBM Agile provides that perfect opportunity or the perfect setting to take advantage of all of these different aspects coming together. The data when patients enter this trial, that no matter what, every patient will be important. Every patient will provide an important piece to the puzzle. And I think understanding that they're involved, understanding also that by the way that the trial is designed, they have the greatest likelihood of getting the best therapy for them. I think those are things that I can't say today. And I'm looking forward to being able to tell them that when I see our new patients once we get GBM Agile up and going. I think once you have a situation like GBM Agile, I think there'll be more encouragement for people to try and push some of their agents, some of their approaches into glioblastoma, which is really important because not everybody wants to go into glioblastoma. I think it's a small disease. They're not going to make money. They're not going to have an impact. And I think this trial really provides the opportunity for them to have that impact. I think that people will want to work in GBM after they see how GBM Agile has been put together. When they see that they can try an agent and push it through this process, get an answer quickly, not just get an answer about the drug, but maybe get an answer about the drug combined with some of the unique features of the patient or the patient's tumor, and come out with a subpopulation where patients benefit the most. I think it's a great opportunity for drug developers to be able to see how their drugs really can work.